Happy day, children. Welcome back to maths video classroom session. Now, in the previous post, we have studied about simplification of arithmetic expressions uh, of type 1 and type 2. Type 1, you have only the primary operators, which is addition and subtraction. You know how to do that. And in type 2, it is consisting of operators addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these two you have already seen. You can refer to the previous video. Now we will continue with the third type of arithmetic expression, which is a nested arithmetic expression. You might have heard nested containers, nested containers. There are some in your kitchen. You might have seen so many containers, small containers to keep various grocery items or materials, cooking materials required. So the various recipes you keep in different boxes. When they are removed, if you want to transfer them, put them one inside, one inside, one inside. The smallest one will be the inside one. You will cover it with the bigger one. All them could be contained in one big container. So that is what called nested containers. Same way, here arithmetic expressions contains some simple arithmetic expression type 1 in something, and then it is no precedence order is operators are there, precedence operators there to say that they are nested. They need to be their separate arithmetic expression, and a nested expression is it contains the brackets, curly brackets, and rectangular brackets, all these. So in an arithmetic, if it contains rectangular, curly, or parenthesis, your ordinary brackets, you say it is nested type. Okay. Under each parenthesis, or I mean precedence operator, there will be some arithmetic expression inside it. Okay. Let us go to that. Numbers written with one or more same or different numerical or precedence operators. See, it is numerical operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is there. Apart from that, there are precedence operators also. Precedence operators means your parentheses, rectangular brackets, curly brackets. Okay, and you see, this is not a bracket. If somewhere in some expression there will be bracket within bracket minus, it is not a parenthesis. I mean precedence operator, because the negative number needs to be written like that. Okay, and within bracket plus 3 is there. These are not nested expressions. Okay, so if you see in a nested arithmetic expression, you will have the rectangular bracket, which will be at the outermost one. Inside it, there's a curly bracket, and inside that curly bracket, there are two more like this. Okay, so this is one type of it. There may be sometimes you may be getting confused. See, some bigger this green color rectangular precedence operators there, and inside that there is this curly operator, and it comes here. See, this curly operator with black color and this curly operator with red color, they are crossing. There is an overlapping region of it. Okay, similarly there is a parenthesis with red color and there is a parenthesis with blue color. These are also having a overlapping. So if this kind of nested expression is wrong, it is such sums are meaningless, and if there is any problem containing this overlapping of parentheses, you can clearly declare it as null and void. They are not actual parentheses. There is something wrong with the problem. This kind of thing is correct. This kind of thing is not there. So you will be able to segregate exclusive parentheses. These are not mixing, but here these are mixing type. Okay, such problems have no meaning. These problems have some meaning. Okay. Nested arithmetic, I will give you some examples here. 1, 2, 3, 4 examples are there in this one. See, all these have this bigger one, which is the outermost parenthesis. I mean precedence operator, and then there is, see, from here to here one more precedence operator, but this is one arithmetic expression, and this has a negative, minus, subtraction and division also. This is a simple type 2 arithmetic expression. Here you see here, this is also within parenthesis, two terms are inside this, so this can also be so this way. But this is not a precedence operator, because just to say it is minus 3, we have put a bracket here. Okay, this minus 17, these are all numbers. Okay, so like that here also it is there. We will solve all these one by one. There is another more 4, 4, 1, 4, 8 are there. Okay, so we will do them one by one. First one I am doing here, and this is a nested arithmetic expression. Nested, there is a bracket here at the end, and there is a curly bracket is inside this, and then this 7 plus 5 is and more one more this. So first, see, this is one bracket which is inside the, I mean, this is one precedence operator curly bracket inside this zone expression, and this is another one, minus 7 plus 5 is another expression inside it. So first you will have to solve them separately. First we will solve this separately. We will simplifying this. How will you simplify this? 56 divided by minus 7 minus of minus 17. So first this bracket can be excluded, segregate this, separate this, and then now it is a simple arithmetic expression of type 2, because there is operator division and operator subtraction. It is the operation division is derived operator, so derived operator means this type 2. So now these are the two operators highlighted. Okay, and then these all to be written in as integers. 56 means positive 56, minus 7 as it is, and then this operator minus has already come, and this with sign this last number minus 17 comes here. So there are these things. Now how will you do it? This is a simple arithmetic expression type 2. So first you will have to do the simplify the division, derived operators, derived. So you will simplify this. So on simplifying this, plus of minus is minus, divided by minus is 56 divided by 7 is minus 8. This is known to you, division of two integers. Then minus 17 comes as it is. Now this minus 8 as it is, and this subtracting minus 17 means adding opposite of minus 17. Adding opposite of minus 17 means adding plus 17. Adding plus 17. So this is positive 17, 17 blue balls, 8 red balls. When you combine them, plus adding means you will left with 9 blue bars. Okay, so this is it. We have simplified this part of it. Okay, so in the next step I am simplifying this one. This is other one, minus 7 plus 5. When you write it as integer, this is negative 7 plus positive 5. So 7 red balls and 5 blue balls, which is 2 blue red balls, means minus 2. So we have simplified this also. Now coming to here, for this one you will be writing this 9, and for this one this 5 into as it is. For this one you will be writing minus 2 from here, then this minus of minus 3, negative 3. So now this is simplified. Now there is only one precedence order. You will have to carry out them inside this. There is a negative sign. Multiplication operator is there. Positive 9 operator is plus, and this is 5 means positive 5, multiplication operator negative 2, this is subtraction operator and negative 3. Okay, so it is simple expression of type 2. First we are taking this operator. Why you are taking 5 into minus 2? Because that is multiplication operator has a precedence over subtraction and addition. Okay, so you are doing that. So derived operators, when it is plus 5 means positive 5, negative 2 as it is, we are multiplying them. Positive multiplied by negative is negative, 5 to the 10. This is all known to you. So in this one, it is this operator plus as it comes. When you multiply these two, you are getting minus 10. You are writing this. This plus 9 as it is come. then this minus of minus 3 as it is, it comes. So now it is addition of the to these numbers. There is a negative operator here. I mean, a minus operator is here. So that needs to be converted into positive. And subtracting negative 3, which means adding opposite of negative 3. Adding opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So adding positive 3. These two have as it is. Adding positive 3. So now we are adding 3 integers. These two are positive integers. This is negative integers. 9 plus 3, 12 positive integers, 12 blue balls, 10 red balls. Means 2 blue balls is the answer. So this way you will solve it. We'll go to the next question. In this question, if you see here, there is a outside precedence operator. Inside it, there is a curly operator, precedence operator, and these are not operators. This is one negative term. So, and inside this curly operator, there is this one operator minus 45 to up to this. This is one. So I am just making it colorful. So outside one is represented by this white braces, and inside that this curly bracket with light blue, and this inside that there is a red one. So first we will have to do the innermost precedence operator, which is this one. So this we will take separately. Okay, we have taken it. We are going to solve it now. So it is 45 divided by minus 9. So the operator is division that we will have to do. 45 divided by minus 9. This 45 is positive 45, negative 9 divided. Positive divided by negative is negative. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So it is minus 5 is the answer. So we will replace this in the next step. This is replaced with, this one is replaced with minus 5. So now in this one, if you see, next one, this is only one integer number. So this is the one to be now solved. 3 into this one, which is inside it. So you are carrying it out now separately. 3 minus to minus 5 is minus 15. So this is replaced with minus 15. Rest of the things as it is. Okay. So now you have got only one parenthesis. I mean, precedence operator is written. There is no more parenthesis or curly brackets inside. This is a there is a negative. I mean, minus operator is there, and positive operator. I mean, addition operators is there. Minus operator is there. Plus is there. So these minus operators, minus subtraction operators need to be converted into addition. This is minus of negative 15 means subtracting negative 15 means adding opposite of negative 15. Okay. Similarly, subtracting minus 32 means adding opposite of minus 32 means adding plus 32. Okay. So that is what we have separated them like this. Now you see minus of minus 15 subtracting negative 15, which will be adding positive 15. Okay, the other positive terms are as it is, addition or as it is. Only this plus 7 has also as it is come. Subtracting negative 32, which is adding opposite of negative 32. Adding opposite of negative 32 is positive 32. Therefore, adding positive 32. So now all our addition operators, this is the way it is done. So plus 12. 12 blue balls, 15 blue balls, 4 blue balls, all are plus. So you add all them, these many blue balls. There is no negative red balls here. So it is coming out to be 70. So next question, 180 divided by this one. So you see here, there is a curly bracket here, and inside that there is one bracket here and another one here, from here to here. Okay. So I have highlighted it, this 180 as it is, divided by as it is, this curly bracket from here to here with the red bracket. Within that, this one is there. This one I am writing with sign. Okay, you can do it later on also, but here itself I have written it. This bracket white, okay, this black bracket here to here. 72 means positive 72 and positive 8. Then this minus from this one I have written with minus 5 plus 2 means positive 2 multiplication positive 4, addition negative 3. So this way it is written. Therefore, there are two inside brackets. We can do them in any order. First, we will do this one. Okay, how will you do this one? Positive 72 divided by positive 8. So positive divided by, you can treat them as whole numbers and do. 8 9 is 72. This is 14 positive 9. So this is simplified now, and now you are left with this. How will you do this one? We will do it now. We will do it because too many terms are there, so we are segregating and doing it separately here as part of rough work. So this is written here. So if you see this one, there is a positive operator here, there's an addition operator here, there is a multiplication operator, there's addition operator. So this is type 2 because derived operator multiplication. So first you will have to do the derived operator, which is you will have to operate these two. So when you operate these two, positive 2 into positive 4 is positive 8. Okay, and the other two terms are as it is written. Now in this one, all are positive only. 5 red balls, 3 red balls because they are negative sign. Negative 5 means 5 red balls. Negative 3 means 3 red balls. And positive 8 means 8 blue balls. These are combined. Added means combined. So when you combine 5 plus 3, 8 red balls and 8 blue balls. Okay, 8 red balls and 8 blue balls. Totally negative 5, negative 5, negative 3, 8, negative 8, right? So when you add them, you will be left with 0. Positive blue balls 8, red balls 8. When they combine, nothing will remain. So 0. So for this term, you are putting 0 here. So this minus as it is here, 9 plus 9 minus 0. You can do it. It is 9 divided by this. 180 divided by 9, which is 9, 2 is 20. Positive 20 is the answer for this one. So be careful in doing them. So we will go to the next question. This is it. So if you see here, there is a curly bracket outside at the outermost bracket precedence operator. Inside that there is this one operator parenthesis minus 6 plus 60, and here one more parenthesis here from here to here. So I am making it colorful. This one as it is here and this one as it is. This minus 6 as it is written within brackets with negative number, and this plus is operator plus here, and this 60 means written as integer positive 60 here. So this bracket from here to here, I have put it in one color box with the parenthesis negative here, I mean blue color negative to here. Okay, this plus 20 as an integer form it is written here. And now coming to this part of the expression, it is within parenthesis from here to here. So it is written here. This divided by 9 is written here. This 9 written in the form of an integer. Okay. So here 24 means positive 24. This bracket, open bracket, is denoted by a red open bracket here. This close bracket here. Okay. So this 24 plus 24, this minus operator is here subtraction, and this minus 4 as it is, multiplication operator here, and 2 means positive 2. Okay. So we will have to do this. First we will, there is no innermost bracket like this. Okay, this is the outermost one. Inside there are two precedence operators. We will do this one. Okay, so we will do this one. So it is negative 6 added with positive 60. So 60 blue balls, 6 red balls. When you combine them, 54 blue balls will remain. So that 54 blue balls come here. The rest of the things carried forward as it is. Now this is made in simplified. When you go into this, the next one, this precedence order, this needs to be done. You will not simplify anything because these are all in single terms. So you will have to do this one now. Okay, when you do it, see here this entire parenthesis, it has come here. Now you will have to simplify this simple arithmetic. This is having operator subtraction, operator multiplication. So it is the derived type, simple type 2. Derived operators are there. First you will have to simplify the derived operator, which is multiplication. So this minus 4 multiplied by plus 2, minus into plus minus, 4 2 are 8. That is what it has come here. This minus operator as it is minus, when you multiply these two, you are getting minus 8. Okay, this positive 24 as it is. This red bracket I have removed. We are going to simplify it. Now it is a problem of subtraction. Simple type 1, but the operator is subtraction. Subtracting negative 8 means adding opposite of minus 8. What is opposite of minus 8? Positive 8. So adding positive 8. So this subtracting minus 8 becomes adding positive 8. Okay. So you are adding two positive integers in whole numbers. So you can, so this is going to be 32. So you have simplified this as 32. So in the next step, I have written all these terms as it is. It has come here, this plus 32 coming over to here. In the next step, I see there is only one curly bracket, there is no inner brackets inside. So I will have to simplify this as it is. And the expression inside is type 2 because there is a derived operator division. Okay, and this positive operator, I mean addition operator and subtraction operator here, that is simple type. So I like to do this derived operator first. So these two need to be simplified. So I am taking these two here. Positive 54 divided by positive 9. So answer will be positive 54 divided by 9 is 9 6 are 54. So positive 6 is the answer. So these two terms will be replaced with positive 6. Okay, this as it is written, this as it is written, this is simplified as plus 6. So in the next one, these three, see here there is a negative operator, I mean a subtraction operator and positive operator. So subtracting positive 6 means subtracting become adding opposite of positive 6. What is opposite of positive 6? Negative 6. So that is what written here in the next step, adding negative 6. So it is now positive 20, positive 32, positive 52 means 52 blue balls, red 6 red balls. So 52 46 blue balls will remain. So which is the answer here. I'm going to the next sum. This is also nested expression. Nested arithmetic expression in the sense it has got this whole. If you see it, see here outermost parenthesis rectangular bracket is there. Inside that there is a curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket there is one more innermost bracket parenthesis is there. So when I make it colorful, you will be able to understand. Outermost the blue one, and then the yellow one inside it. So we will be doing this one first. So I am taking it separately. I will segregate the inside factors terms separately. I remove this bracket. Okay, you are going to consider this one and replace this one. Okay, and this all numbers to be written in the form of integers. Minus 14. This is the operator 4. Operator multiplication division. Okay, these operators are denoted by red letters here, red colors, this and this minus, and all the numbers are written as integers. Minus 14, and this operator is written here. This 5 means positive 5. The multiplication is here. 12 means positive 12. Division is here. 2 means positive 2, and minus positive 6. Okay, now it is an arithmetic expression of type 2, simple expression of simple type 2, because derived operator multiplication and derived operator division are there apart from this addition and subtraction. So first you will have to do them. When you do this, multiplication is there and division is, which one will you do? You will have to do, give priority to the complicated division will be the first one to be done. So you will be taking this one, positive 12 divided by positive 2. That needs to be segregated, and positive 12 divided by positive 2 is positive 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 46, this will be replaced with positive 6. Okay, now if you see this a simple type 2, why? There is a multiplication here. So this derived operator needs to be done, and our numbers operated are positive 5 plus positive 6. Okay, so that positive 5 and positive 6 are segregated and you get positive 30. So these two are replaced with positive 30. So now we have got a simple type 1 expression here, because addition and subtraction are there. So which one will you do? You will have to convert the subtraction operation into addition operation. So how will you do it? Subtracting positive 6 means adding opposite of positive 6. Adding, what is opposite of positive 6? Negative 6. So adding negative 6. Adding negative 6. So this is it. So negative 14, negative 6. You are combining them. Means red ball 6, red ball 14. 14 and 6, 20 red balls and 30 blue balls. So 10 blue balls will remain here. That's what written here. So the simplification of this is positive 10. So this positive 10 comes here, rest of things are as it is. Now still it is in the nested form because there is a curly bracket inside the rectangular bracket. So you will have to simplify this. How will you simplify it? 23 means positive 23 and subtracting a negative number means positive 13. So it is very simple. So this on simplification you are getting 13 and these two are now there is it is in expression has no nested, it is not in the nested form. This minus plus plus 13 means it is not a nested bracket, it is just to refer that the answer is plus 13 of this. So you are adding two positive integers, you can treat them as whole numbers and find the answers, that's 77. Okay. We'll go to the next batch, the next one. Thank you very kind of you for patient listening.